Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve common DNS related issues you may be experiencing on your Windows device. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 11, Windows 10, as well as earlier versions of Windows as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now that you've done that, type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, RESET. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your device. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.